Today, on the Tom Kearin Channel, I am the only technique that works every time. I am reality. There is no other. I am your host, Tom Kearin, and this is the Tom Kearin Channel in studios of Be Something Wonderful, where we help you level up and become the best version of yourself. Creators, good morning and welcome back to the Tom Kearin Channel. One of you reached out and said that you recently discovered our channels, the Be Something Wonderful YouTube channel and the Tom Kearin Channel, this channel. And you said you're not new to the law of assumption or consciously creating your own reality, manifesting, Neville got it and all that. But he says, I've asked this question so many times on numerous YouTube channels to numerous coaches and teachers and on other platforms like Reddit and Facebook. And he says, no one seems to have the answer to it. And he said, if using the law of assumption, to create your dream life, to manifest and create everything you want, if that's so powerful, if that really works, then where are they? Where are those that are manifesting the life of their dreams? Where's the evidence? Where are the success stories? Yeah, there's a few breadcrumbs. This is what he's saying. There's a few breadcrumbs of success stories. But where are the miracles? Right? When are these people going to create the life of their dreams? I just see them keep asking questions about it. And why are they talking about all of these conditions that are not what they want? Where is it? Why doesn't it work? Well, we're going to talk about all of this today and more. Here's really where I want to start. Those that are using the law, using manifesting techniques, using the idea of reality creation as some power that's outside of them, never see it. Do you see? That's why. You're never going to see it. Because you're coming from the assumption that you can't see it, that it's not out there, that there are people not living their dream lives. Remember, those asking, where is it? They're using the law. They're asking, where is it? When is it going to come? And they create this illusion of fulfillment. I've used this idea. I'm bringing the flip chart out, the whiteboard out for a reason today on the Tom Kearin Channel for this one diagram. So this is like you. Oh, they're over here, believing and hoping that if they understand and they imagine and they affirm and they fall asleep in a state akin to sleep, follow everything Neville got it and all the teachers tell them, stay in this wish fulfilled, that they'll manifest the life of their dreams. But they're using the law. They're creating the illusion of fulfillment. Right? Nothing is what it seems. And as they look out there for the evidence, just like you, asking others for the evidence. Where are the millionaires? Where are the people in love? Where are the people reversing aging? Where are those having miraculous healings? Well, we've talked about all of those. All of those. And in our more than 4,000 videos, we have so many. But you'll never see it. Because you're assuming that it doesn't work, that you have to use the law. Use this power that seems to be outside of you. And so you swing to the other side, to the railing against the law. Like you said you've made comments on other websites, and this particular person said he made strong ones. And before he made anyone on us, he wanted to talk to me. This is great. We don't care. Because look, we know you're powerful. We know that you are God and there is no other. We know you're taken care of. We know you're loved. We know you're all that is. We know you don't need us or anybody else. But that's what I want to convey to you today. And then you swing to this other side. Why? Why am I seeing these conditions? Why am I experiencing this? Why am I still in lack? And we just complain. So we go between attachments, this idea of positive attachment, believing and hoping, swinging to the other side of doubting and complaining, using the law and then railing against the law that we're using techniques and processes and then railing against it. What's the difference? What about those that are living their dream life, that have created millions and billions, or houses, or whatever they want, or the love of their life and their specific person and everything that they want and desire, that they've cured themselves or healed themselves from chronic or terminal illnesses, right? That have created this idea of shifting into a completely new reality and identity of their utter fulfillment. Where are they? Well, they're quietly living the life of their dreams. They're not on Reddit complaining and asking questions. They're not on Facebook saying, how do I get here? They're not on our channels complaining about it. They may be watching the videos. Many of them just quietly watch it because it aligns with who they are now. They're not asking the questions of where, when, and why. It's like that quote that I've used many times on our channels in earlier videos from that TV show, that Disney show, Loki. And Loki says it's not where, when, or why, it's about who. I can rewrite the story. You're rewriting the story in every moment. It's about who. That's the vertical. It's a knowing. You're not trying to believe. That introduces doubt. You're not hoping. That just leads to complaining that what you hope for is not manifesting. It's who. It's not using the law. It's declaring that I am the law. Wow. I am the law. I am reality. I am all that is. That's the difference. Those are living that. They're just quietly going on and living their lives. We've shared many of their stories. But there are infinite others who are just living that life. And we hear from some of them. So I am that story. Do you see it? You just keep swinging on that pendulum. That's why you don't see it. You'll never see it. You can't find what's missing. You can't find what's lost. You're feeling like fulfillment's missing. That you're using the law, but you're not creating the life. So you can't find that. You've got to be there and know that you are the law. There's no path to fulfillment from non-fulfillment. You'll never see it. Why? Because you are reality. Right? Every time you look, it changes. Why? Because you looked, because you are reality. You are the observer. You are the observing. You are the observed. You are the perceiver. You are the perceived. And you are the perceiving. You're all of it. So on this side of the pendulum, where we're feeling good, right, at time, we're feeling, okay, I'm in the wish fulfilled. I've imagined, I'm still affirming it. I'm positive. I'm believing it, I'm hoping. But I'm still using the law and techniques and processes. Not understanding that I am the law. I'm still using a power that seems outside of me, not understanding that I am the power. I'm still trying to manifest a reality and not understanding that I am reality. And you create this idea, this horizontal linear of experience where I have a past where it didn't work out, I have a present where it's not working out, and the future's up in the air. But hopefully, if I stay in this wish fulfilled, it will change. How can it? That script is written. That fate is sealed. But here's the good news. There are infinite possibilities. There are infinite scripts or film roles or horizontal linear experiences, or what we call timelines. But you're focused here. Right? You're trying to stay happy and fulfilled in the present. You see the little happy guy right here? Knowing that you had been not fulfilled in the past. But you're still leaving the future up in the air. You're still thinking you're creating something in the future. You're healing something from the past. It's all happening right now. Or you swing over here where, I was unhappy then, I'm unhappy now, and I'm creating a future where I'm just going to be unhappy. The illusion of lack. They're both illusions. In other words, what's the illusion mean? It's not what it seems. You're absolutely fulfilled. This is you. You're all of this. This is you in the now. And you tell the story. You rewrite the story in every moment. You're rewriting your past, present, and future in every moment. It's new. It's complete. You have a new, clean slate in every moment. Yet this one that reached out, we had a great conversation, by the way. All right? And I think he really appreciated it. And I don't think he's going to be going out writing things on websites and platforms anymore. He gets it. Right? You're rewriting it in every moment. You are reality. You're creating your past, present, and future. It's always instant. It's always now. It's always you. I really want you to see that. That's the difference. That's the difference. That's why you're not seeing those using the law, creating the life of their dreams. Because they're using the law. That's why you see those using the power of reality creation, not creating their dreams, their dream life and what they want. Or they manifest some things and then they don't. It's hot and cold, it's up and down. Because it's not about using the law. Either way, you're using it or you're railing against it that it doesn't work. And that keeps you swinging between these attachments. That's what positive attachment and negative attachment here. This is detachment. Detachment's not letting go of your dreams. It's not about not wanting what you want. Everyone makes that stuff up. It's not about that. Want what you want. Right? No, you don't have to let go of your dreams and desires. It's knowing that they're yours because you create the story. You are the story. The ancients said it, before I am. Before Abraham, I am. Before Abraham, before any story, I'm all the stories. I get to create it all. So it's not about using the techniques. You are the technique. When you imagine, you are imagination. When you assume, you are that assumption. When you affirm, you are that affirmation. Stop using these things and be them. Embody them. Know that it's done when you affirm it. It's done when you declare it. It's done when you imagine it. Wow. It's not where, when, or why. It's who. It's about who. I can rewrite the story because I'm rewriting it anyway in every moment. In every moment, you're rewriting your entire life experience. So what's it going to be? Right? Are you going to still complain and rail against reality or then swing back and say, okay, I'll try using the law again? That's why you feel so exhausted. Asking where and when and why. When it's always and only been about who. It works every time because it has to. You are reality. So where are those people? We've talked about so many, dozens of what you would call success stories. We don't name them that because you are an absolute success no matter what. You are source of your entire world. You're spawning worlds and realities and universes in every moment. The idea of success stories just creates this idea that you're something less than that. You're going to create a story that's successful. You're all stories. And as you're flipping through channels and TikTok trying to find someone to give you that right message, it's going from being a seeker to being source. Either way, wherever you are on this pendulum, you're seeking. You're using the law. You're using the power. You're seeking that life outside of you and everything that you want and desire. You are the law. There is no other. This really brings it home today, I hope. No, I don't hope. I know. There I am, right? I know. I know, and you do too. Right? You are reality. Well, remember, this swinging with the pendulum is this idea that I am, okay, I am, I'm hoping, I'm believing, or oh, I am not. I'm railing against it. It's not working. Why isn't it working? Why am I seeing this? You're seeing it because you're source, because you can see everything, because you can be everything. You are everything. The only thing that makes the difference is Who are you as the center of all that is? Who are you in relation to everything that's coalescing and manifesting around you and as you? That's what changes reality. That's what changes everything. You knowing this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I am the only technique that works every time. I am reality, and there is no other. I am your host, Tom Kearin, and this is the Tom Kearin Channel and studios of Be Something Wonderful, where we help you level up and become the best version of yourself. Creators, thank you. Thank you for being with me. Be sure to check out the Be Something Wonderful channel. We just released a massive video there, and we're just going to keep casting our net every day with you, no matter what, just to remind you that you're not creating and manifesting a reality outside of you. You are reality. That you're not using the law. You are the law. That you're not tapping into the power. You are the power. That you're not praying to God. You're praying as God. You are that existence. You are that fabric of all that is. You're all of it. Until next time, with great love, with great light and infinite gratitude, this is Tom. We'll see you soon.